Animal Hospital faces its own deadline to help both two- and four-legged victims of Hurricane Sandy. Lakeshore's Lindsay Kramer looks at the effort and how you can help.
Staff at Vale Park Animal Hospital in Valparaiso are working on filling this semi-trailer full of donations to take to people and pets affected by Hurricane Sandy. The project started when one of the doctors asked a simple question.
She said, well, what are we doing? We're like, that's a good question.
Yeah.
And Vale Park never does anything small, so.
The staff has been collecting items for both humans and pets. Because some of their clients are Hurricane Katrina victims, the coordinators want to make sure everyone who needs help gets it.
A lot of people aren't able to take their pets with them, so, the shelters out there or the makeshift shelters, get overrun and they don't have supplies, just like the people don't have supplies. So being an animal hospital, it is, forefront in our minds to take care of the pets as well as the people.
As you can see, the group has gotten an overwhelming response, but they still are looking for food donations to take on these. The Animal Hospital is collecting until Thursday at 6 p.m., taking useful relief items such as blankets, clothes, and pet food.
I cannot even imagine going. We take a lot for granted. Not having electricity. That's just something that we just take for granted. Oh, we should be able to flip on this light and just have it work. I cannot even imagine what those poor people are going through. So I'm just glad that we're able to help out where we can.
The semi will leave Friday for the Salvation Army in Trenton, New Jersey. In Valparaiso, Lindsay Kramer, Lakeshore News.